Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, zaptest.com. Phases of alpha testing. There are two main alpha testing phases. 1. Phase 1. For the first phase of alpha testing, software engineers are responsible for debugging the application and using these results to better understand their own software and how to make it even better. 2. Phase 2. In contrast, the second phase of alpha testing is by the internal QA team and takes a more thorough approach with comprehensive test cases that outline every check. This part of the process usually takes much longer than the original alpha testing phase. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.